Okay, we'll show you how to connect, how to install the lens to the box camera. Okay, open the box camera, take it out from the box. Okay, now you can see there is a lens cover. So this is where you have to mount the lens. Take out the lens carefully from the bubble wrapping. Open the lens cover. There are lens caps at both ends of the lens. Now carefully mount the lens to the camera, and you have to thread it so that the lens fits on the camera. Thread the lens to the camera until you see it's tightened enough. Okay, and there's a small cable coming out of the lens that you have to plug into the box camera. Okay, just press it enough so that it fits intact. Okay, so this completes installing the lens to the camera.